So let's apply these trigonometric ratios as we earlier derived in the first video. We are asked to calculate without tables or calculator the value of 1 plus cos square 30 degrees over 1 minus sin square 45 degrees. It's simple. Let's do substitution. Solution. We have 1 plus cos 30 is what? Root 3 over 2. So cos square 30 will be root 3 over 2 squared all over 1 minus sin 45 is what? 1 over root 2. So sin square 45 will be 1 over root 2 what? Squared. Now this will produce 1 plus this entire stuff means root 3 squared over 2 squared. Root 3 squared is root 3 times root 3. That's 3. 2 squared is what? 4. All over 1 minus. This same stuff means 1 squared over root 2 squared. 1 squared is 1. Root 2 squared is root 2 times root 2. That's 2. So this gives us this. Let's simplify this numerator. By LCM we have 4 times 1 plus 3 over 4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 over 4 all over 2 times 1 minus 1 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 over 2. I'm actually doing this is a simple way to do LCM anyway. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3 all over 4. 2 times 1, 2 minus 1 over 2. So this gives us this. 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2. So this gives us 7 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So that division sign will turn to multiplication, and this right part of the fraction of the expression will reciprocate. That is 7 over 4 times 2 over 1. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. That's what 7 over 2. In the same way, we have serial number 1 over 2. So the value of this entire 1 plus cos square 30 over 1 minus sin square 45 degree is 3 whole number 1 over 2 or 7 over 2. Now, question B. It says, without calculators, simplify sin 35 over cos 55 plus cos 30 over tan 60. We know here that only 30 and 60 degrees each are special angles. We know that. 35 and 55 are not special angles. But let's see what happens. In complementary angles, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to what? Sin 90 minus theta. So sin 35, for example, is cos 90 minus 35, and that will give us cos 55. And also cos 55 degrees is sin 90 minus 55, and that will give us sin 35 degrees. So you can see now that sin 35 is equal to cos 55, and cos 55 is equal to what? Sin 35. We just got that right now. So what it means is that I can replace any of them with the other. That is, let's replace sin 35 with cos 55. So cos 55 over cos 55 plus cos 30 degrees over what? Tan 60 degrees. So these two cancels each other to produce 1. And I have this cos 30 degrees over tan 60 degrees. So it has been reduced actually. Let's see what we'll get. 1 plus cos 30 is what? Root 3 over 2 all over tan 60 is root 3. So this is what we'll have. So let's simplify further. This is 1 plus root 3 over 2 divided by what? Root 3. This is equal to 1 plus root 3 over 2. This division turns to multiplication, and the reciprocal of this fraction is taken. This is same thing as saying root 3 over 1. So the reciprocal will be 1 over what? Root 3. So that root 3 cancels root 3. We have left 1 plus 1 over 2 times 1. This is 1 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 2 times 1 is still 1 over 2. So let's finish this simplification. The LCM, without doing LCM rather, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 over 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So 3 divided by 2 in fraction is one whole number, 1 over 2. So this is the solution to this trigonometric question. We have it here. 1 over 1 over 2 or 3 over 2. And likewise, this is the solution to this. So this is how we apply trig ratios to some kind of questions like this. I hope you find it educating. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos. More videos are still coming on trigonometry. To get those updates, subscribe now and turn on notifications so that you'll be the first person to get notified or updated whenever I upload future content. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next class with me as a tutor at this academy.